Hello, Sims. Hello sa lahat ng Fire, Earth, Water, and Air sign. So this is a all signs love reading. Currently, nandito ako ngayon sa Davao. After ko manggaling sa Jensen. Kaya iba na naman yung setup ko. Pero nagdala ako ng tarot cards kasi gusto ko talaga din gumawa ng reading while I'm here. So, but for the interest of time, ayan, I'll do an all signs muna. Tapos, this coming Friday, I'll do fire, earth, water, and air signs love reading. So this is a new love reading para sa lahat ng signs. So tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy while I'm here in Durian City of the Philippines. Yan. Kumakain ba kayo ng durian, Sims? Yeah, I do. Actually, bago ako gumawa nitong reading na to, kumain ako dun sa Lachis. And so, if you're here in Davao, daan kayo sa Lachis, ang sarap ng mga cakes nila. So, I had the durian cheesecake today. And, yeah, share ko lang naman. Alright, so, dahil bawal magdala ng lighter sa hand carry lang kasi yung bit-bit ko. So, hindi ako pwedeng magpausok ng Palo Santo or sage. Or even here sa hotel, meron siyang smoke detector. So, bawal din magpausok. That's why, kinlens ko muna siya using my selenite wand. And, tapos, parang inantay ko lang ng few hours bago ako gawin itong reading. Alright, so tama na ang chika. Ayan. So simulan natin dito. Using this deck, I'll get a card paired with this card. So I'll do the new love reading. So tingnan natin first. Ano ba tong energy ng new love na paparating sa inyo? Oops. I don't do reverses. So Queen of Wands. And hindi ko pa naka. Sorry naman. Ayan. Oh, 2 queens. So, yeah, this new love coming is a very emotionally stable, emotionally mature person. Very nurturing ang kanyang love na mabibigay sa'yo. With the Queen of Wands here, he or she knows what he wants in a relationship. Okay? And as I've said, emotionally secure, stable itong person na to. There will be a deep connection between you and your person. And ito yung person na kapag nakilala mo, you will really desire this person. Medyo charismatic itong person na to. And with the Queen of Cups energy, grabe pa ito magmahal. Whatever his or her love language is, mafe-feel mo talaga na mahal ka niya. Sorry, umalag yung camera. Yeah. Kasi, regardless kung ang love language niya ay gift, words, time, service, touch, ayun, mafe-feel mo talaga na mahal ka or mamahalin ka nitong tao na to. Okay, so exciting. It's a good start. And now, let's see. Ano yung paano mo siya makikilala? Let's find out. I mean, ano yung mga pwedeng events, circumstances, or ng inyong meet up or kilala mo na ba to or makikilala mo pa lang? I mean, kilala mo na ba siya tapos magpapakita ng motibo? Or bagong person talaga to in your life? Let's find out. Bagong person. Ace of Cups. Oh! Yeah, it's just the same suit. Ace of Cups. Kanina may Queen of Cups, then Ace of Wands, kanina may Queen of Wands. Yeah. So to answer, this is a new person in your life. Makikilala mo talaga siya in an unexpected circumstance. Pwedeng umattend ka ng birthday party, tapos nagkilala mo siya doon, friend siya ng friend ng friend mo, ganyan. Pwedeng sa isang corporate event, so pwedeng part siya ng staff member siya ng client, or kayo yung client, tapos ayun, part siya ng team, tapos na-meet mo siya. Pwedeng, kung if you're still studying, pwedeng ma-meet mo siya sa isang event sa school. Alright? So this is a new person, and very exciting, nakakatuwa kasi nga, lumabas lang din the same suit. So this is a new person in your life na magpapakita talaga ng interest sa inyo. Okay? And it will be a very exciting connection. Alam mo, full of attraction, full of affection, and pag nagkilala kayo, may chemistry na agad. Kung ayaw nyo ng chemistry, may physics. Charot. So, meron talagang connection na between you and this person, na parang kikiligin kayo, ngingiti kayo pag nakita nyo to. Very attractive din tong person na to, and itong person na to is ma-attract din sa inyo. So sabi ko sa kanina, di ba, parang full of charisma, but at the same time, even physically very attractive ito, or meron siyang energy na, alam mo yun, pag pumasok siya sa room, parang ang lakas ng dating, gano'n. Pwedeng hindi siya talaga super duper artistahin level, pero alam mo yun, maayos manamit, may confidence, smart, diba? So basta pag nakilala nyo siya, parang okay to ganyan. Parang iba yung dugdug ng puso nyo, but hindi nyo alam, at the same time, ganun din yung dugdug ng puso niya, di ba? Ang saya. Ayan. So now, sige, let's find out how this connection will move forward. Okay? And ano yung talagang mafe-feel niya, ano yung talagang mafe-feel mo once na mag-progress itong connection. Okay? And is it something na pangmatagalan? Or something din na is it a karmic relationship? Or yeah, let's find out. Okay? Okay, Queen. Another Queen. Queen of Coins. Oh, yeah. All right. So this is in the beginning, it will there will be a lot of parang adventure na very abundant yung magiging relationship ninyo, full of love. However, may revelation na mangyayari. Okay? There will be a revelation when it comes to pwedeng the how the connection will move forward. Okay, it will be something that you will never expect. Okay, and from something abundant, it may change to something different, but I want to find out more. Kasi Queen of Coins is a very, very, ang tawag doon, strong yung foundation ng magiging relationship. And stable siya, not just financially, but emotionally as well. However, itong tower moment, let's get another pair in between bago yung last pair. I want to find out bakit lumabas itong tower? Ano yung revelation? Ano yung unexpected event na mangyayari between you and this new love? O, di ba? Let's find out. Oh. Okay. Sige. Careful lang kasi itong new love na to, okay, meron when it comes to commitment lang, okay, sabi ko kanina very nurturing itong when it comes to love, magaling siyang magmahal, very attractive, this is a new person, new love. However, I think ang may mari-reveal na challenge. Alam mo, ang biglang nag-download right away sa akin is pwedeng saglit lang ito dito sa Pinas. I have, ang nagda-download sa akin ngayon is may no choice, parang it's inevitable na kailangan niyang umalis ng bansa. Okay? And this will be yun yung magiging challenge between the two of you. Kasi, ayun, sabi ko, but okay naman yung relationship. Pero bakit nagkaroon ng tower moment after all this? Tapos lumabas pa si Queen of Coins, which is a very stable energy. So, financially, emotionally, mentally, diba? Basta may sense of stability when it comes to the relationship. Pero biglang nagkaroon ng tower moment. Kasi yung unexpected event is a choice na kailangan niyang gawin, or a decision na kailangan niyang gawin kahit mahirap. It's a choice na no choice gets. So, possible na it's an opportunity na hindi niya ma-miss. Okay? And it's also something na pwedeng outside. Like for example, kailangan talaga ng family niya, ng financial support, for example, and siya lang makakatulong, and this opportunity will help your person. So, kailangan niyang umalis ng ibang bansa. Okay? So, kasi here, parang may separation, the tower here. Then ito, parang magpo-progress chariot, but it's moving away. Okay? Away from here, the couple na they're having some discussions, arguments, but more of discussion. So I think matinding pag-uusap ito, matinding decision. The least na pwedeng mangyari ay long distance relationship. Okay? And yun, pag-usapan nyo yung kung kakayanin nga itong relationship na to. But again, hindi siya aalis, hindi kanya iiwan dahil hindi kanya mahal. Kailangan lang niyang umalis para maging practical. Okay? Because also the Queen of Coins is a card of practicality din. So, Ayan, and now, what's the best action moving forward sa relationship na ito, sa new love na ito? Kasi maganda siya. Sa simula, mag-start talaga siya na maganda. Actually, okay na may magiging relationship. Mahal nyo nga isa't isa. But there's an unexpected event, a circumstance na hindi, na kailangan mangyari talaga. But then, eventually, ma-overcome nyo din itong challenge na to. Pero kailangan siyang dumating, magpo-progress pa siya. Okay, it's something na hindi na mapipigilan. Okay, with the Chariot here and the Seven of Wands showing up. So, but what's the best action moving forward? That would be the last pair. So, yeah. Judgment. Okay, yeah. Sorry, walang space. And Six of Cups. Yeah. So, here, ang nangyayari nga lang is to, yung kailangan yung balikan paano nagsimula yung relationship. Yun yung makakatulong sa pag-decide ninyo. Makikita mo naman dito, maganda yung foundation nga, sabi ko kanina. Mamahalin ka talaga nitong tao na to. Okay? And magsisimula siya ng very, very good. Full of love, full of affection, full of desire. However, magkakaroon nga ng challenge na medyo matinding challenge. But with the Judgment card showing up here, parang kailangan talaga ng understanding. Forgiveness in a way dun sa situation na parang hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng resentment or galit or sama ng loob dahil pipiliin nitong tao na to na gawin o yung isang matindi at mahirap na decision kasi kailangan. Not because hindi ka mahal or hindi ka kayang panindigan. Actually, parang itong challenge nga nito, panandalian lang. Parang if you are willing to wait, okay, everything will be okay naman. Kasi here with the Six of Cups, really a memory from the memory of the relationship. So memories na nabuild nyo together, balikan mo yun. So, and mas makakatulong yun sa'yo na pag binalikan mo yun, makikita mo doon na, ay, mahal ka naman talaga nitong tao na to. Okay? So, yeah, it's just important na magkaroon tayo ng better understanding dun sa sitwasyon ng magiging kabiyak natin. Okay, so yeah, it's a new love. May challenge, but continuously, magiging okay naman ang lahat. Okay, final message from the universe. Okay, so tingnan natin ano yung final message. Susunod pa natin to. Lagay ko sa gitna. Ayan. Final message for you when it comes to this new love. Ayan. Dito ko na lang. Ikakat. Hindi nakita sa frame. Pero, yan. At least kita nyo na kinot ko. Two of Swords, yeah. A decision. Okay. Yeah, with the Emperor card here and the Two of Swords, ito, it's a very hard decision, but you have to stay grounded. You have to be, the Emperor card is a card of reliability, stability, leadership, accountability. Alam mo yun, very grounded itong Emperor na parang sinasabi dito, yeah, it will be a hard decision, but for you, lalo na ikaw tong nakakarinig ng reading na to, na you have to, parang wag mong hayaan masway ka ng sitwasyon na porket may ganitong challenge ay mawawalan ka ng pag-asa or masisway din yung feelings mo. Okay? So, I can see here that this is a temporary challenge. Kailangan lang talagang mangyari to. Itong uh, choice na no choice. Okay? For your person. Para mag-grow din siya as an individual. Pero here, as you can see, na may matinding decision din talaga sa iyo on your end how you will deal with this. And yeah, it would be something na you will itong relationship na to, you'll learn something from this. Okay? But yeah, so sana nakatulong ito if you're in this situation or na looking for new love and all, tas nag-resonate ito sa inyo. Sana makatulong ito if eventually pag naalala nyo itong reading na to once na ma-meet nyo yung person na parang, ito yung sinabi ni Mystico Moreno. Then, yeah, you know what to do because nabigyan na kayo ng insights and guidance. Okay, before I close, you might be dealing with an Aries. A Cancer. Alright. Yeah, and a Scorpio. So, those are the strong energies na nasasagap sa reading na to. But doesn't have to. Pwedeng ibang signs pa rin. Tuloy yung malalakas na energy sa spread na to. But if hindi sila dun sa sun placement, you might want to check their moon, Venus, and rising placements. Baka Aries, Cancer, and Scorpio sila sa placements na iyon. Okay? So, ayun. Always use my reading with discernment. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Ingat. And stay safe kung nasa Manila kayo. Alright. Kita-kits. Ingat.